And our focus, viewers, continues to be the latest from Kolkata. From Delhi and Lucknow to Chandigarh, Mumbai and Kerala, a wave of outrage is sweeping through India. The cause of this nationwide uproar is the tragic and brutal assault on a 31-year-old trainee doctor who was raped and murdered while on duty at Kolkata's RG Kar Medical Hospital on 9th of August. United in anger and grief, doctors have launched protests in different parts of the country. They are demanding justice for the victim. Their call is Save the Saviors. The Federation of Resident Doctors Association has also announced a nationwide halting of elective services in hospitals. Only emergency services will continue. Now, these people are calling for immediate compensation for the victim's family. Also, they are demanding complete transparency in the investigation process, insisting that details should be made public. There is a strong call for the resignation of everyone responsible. Times Now is reporting from across India to bring you the latest on-ground information.
तस्वीरों के माध्यम से दिखाना चाहेंगे कि रेसिडेंट डॉक्टर्स, जूनियर डॉक्टर्स, नर्सिंग स्टाफ, हर कोई जो है यहाँ पर तमाम अस्पताल के स्टाफ हड़ताल पर है और यहाँ पे विरोध प्रदर्शन कर रहे हैं। आपको बता दें, कई ऐसी उनकी मांगे हैं जिसे सामने रखी गई है, जैसे प्रिंसिपल सुपर का जो है इस्तीफा देना और साथ ही असिस्टेंट कमिश्नर को भी इस्तीफा देना होगा और जुडिशियल इंक्वायरी होनी चाहिए इस पूरे मामले में। जो पीड़ित महिला है उनके परिवार के लिए कोई आर्थिक मदद जो है वो भी की जाए, लेकिन अभी तक सरकार की ओर से आर्थिक मदद की कोई भी घोषणा नहीं की गई है। ऐसे में यहाँ पर उनका कहना है कि जब तक उनकी सारी मांगे पूरी नहीं हो जाती है, हालांकि सुपर अस्पताल को और प्रिंसिपल ने इस्तीफा जरूर दिया है, साथ ही असिस्टेंट कमिश्नर को अपने पद से हटाया गया है, लेकिन जब तक जुडिशियल इंक्वायरी पर कोई घोषणा नहीं हो जाती, ट्रांसपेरेंसी नहीं रहती है और जब तक कोई आर्थिक मदद की घोषणा नहीं हो जाती है, उनका जो है यहाँ पर विरोध प्रदर्शन चलता रहेगा। आपको बता दें, इमरजेंसी डिपार्टमेंट से लेकर ओपीडी तक यहाँ पर अस्पताल के जो सभी विभाग है वहां पर फिलहाल सीज वर्क चल रहा है। ये डॉक्टर जो है वहां पर नहीं जा रहे हैं और जो भी मरीज यहाँ पर पहुंच रहा है उन्हें फिर एक बार वापस जाना पड़ रहा है। वहीं दूसरी ओर कोलकाता पुलिस इस मामले की जो है तफ्तीश अभी भी चालू है और जांच अभी भी चल रही है।
Doctors here at the Nimans Hospital in Bengaluru staging a protest march against the rape and murder of a resident doctor in Kolkata. And here you're looking at all of them, of course, holding placards and demanding that the parliament today take a decision to protect the interests of the doctors so that such an incident does not occur again. And, various concerns, of course, have been raised by these doctors. Let's try and get in a word from some of them. So if you could tell us, what are the main demands at this point in time from the doctors here?
See, all over the country, all doctors are clear about the demands. They want immediate judicial inquiry, possibly, if possible, CBI inquiry, and immediate identification of all culprits.
Primary demands here that a thorough investigation, either a judicial probe or even possibly a CBI probe, should be undertaken, and justice should be given here to the victim and the family members as well.
हम इस वक्त पीजीआई के हॉस्पिटल में मौजूद हैं, जहां पे रेजिडेंट एंड जूनियर रेजिडेंट डॉक्टर्स जो हैं वो लगातार प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं और जस्टिस की डिमांड कर रहे हैं। तस्वीर आप देख सकते हैं बैनर के साथ, ये हॉस्पिटल के प्रेमिसेस के अंदर वॉक करते हुए, प्रोटेस्ट करते हुए नजर आ रहे हैं और इनकी डिमांड है कि जस्टिस मिलना चाहिए। सेफ्टी और सिक्योरिटी डॉक्टर्स की बहुत ज्यादा क्वेश्चनेबल हो चुकी है, इसी वजह से ये तस्वीर, अगर मेरे कैमरा पर्सन थोड़ा सा लंबा शॉट दिखाएं, ये सारे रेजिडेंट एंड जूनियर रेजिडेंट डॉक्टर्स हैं, लेकिन ओपीडी सर्विसेज प्रभावित हुई हैं, इमरजेंसी सर्विसेज में अभी भी डॉक्टर्स हैं। तो ये तस्वीर है, हम इनसे बातचीत करेंगे। आप क्या डिमांड है आप लोगों की, आज आप लोग सड़कों पे उतरे?
We want maximum possible punishment for the culprits as soon as possible.
हमारा प्रोटेस्ट कंटिन्यूअसली चलेगा जब तक उसको जस्टिस मिलेगा और कैपिटल पनिशमेंट मिलना चाहिए।
ये बताइए कि आप लोग बैठे हैं, नंबर बेशक कम हो गए हो, लेकिन जो मांगे हैं वही रहेंगी आपकी पूरी?
हाँ, बिल्कुल वही रहेंगे। वही, मतलब जब तक हमारा डिमांड एड्रेस नहीं होगा तब तक वही रहेंगे, जब तक हटेंगे नहीं। यूपीएससी एस्पिरेंट है जी, हमको भी लॉ एंड ऑर्डर सब कुछ पता है, हम ये चाहते हैं कि गवर्नमेंट अब हमारे साथ में कोऑपरेट करे। हम मतलब लॉफुली जो भी कर रहे हैं लॉफुली फॉलो कर रहे हैं सब कुछ। जितना जल्दी हो सके उतना जल्दी अपना डिमांड को एड्रेस करें।
हाँ, हमारा प्लान ऐसा होता है कि हम जो स्टडी घर पे कर रहे हैं वो स्टडी हम यहाँ पे करें, क्योंकि आपको पता ही है हमारा एग्जाम में आपको कम से कम 10-10 आवर्स अ डे यू हैव टू पुट इन। And it has been 15 days since we are protesting right now. Still we are somehow managing these things, and not just me. Almost 100 to 200 students are all.
But now we see that only 2 of you are sitting.
And mostly all the meetings and all are convened in the evening and in the night. So mostly people are present in the evening and night time. Support we have of so many people on the digital media. We have the support of almost 9,000 to 10,000 support. But the people who are really coming over here and exactly really putting into some efforts are almost 100 to 150.
Let me now go across to my colleague Tapas, who's been tracking the case very, very closely, who's joining us live at this point in time. Tapas, now we heard what the doctors have to say across the country. They are demanding strictest possible punishment to the victims. They are demanding a judicial inquiry, possibly a CBI inquiry into this matter, because they probably do not trust the police there, given how the things are going. Can you tell us, where is the investigation? At what stage is the investigation right now? The parents have been saying that it seems more people are involved in this heinous crime. What more do we know?
Well, yes, the investigation is progressing, of course. The main accused, Sanjay Rai, have already been arrested, but the parents of the victim have alleged that the kind of gruesomeness that was witnessed, it doesn't seem that only one person was behind this act. There could be possible that more persons were involved. It could be a part of a conspiracy. And when they say conspiracy, what kind of conspiracy? Something that police is probing at the moment. Today, 3 doctors and 1 staff of RG Kar Medical College and Hospital have been summoned by Kolkata police at their headquarters. What we have been given to understand that 3 of them had dinner with the victim on that very fateful night. And what exactly happened, how they knew that that is something they are trying to ascertain at the moment. But Mamata Banerjee have made it very clear that the deadline stands till Sunday. If it doesn't go through, then CBI inquiry could be ordered. See, you can see there are several nursing students and junior doctors who are protesting here right now, and they continue to protest unless the demands are met. If I can come across to some of them and speak to them, I'll just like to go across and ask them. ये बताइए कि आप लोग अभी और क्या डिमांड कर रहे हैं?
कुछ 1 घंटे पहले हम लोग का एक ऑफिशियल प्रेस मीटिंग ऑर्गेनाइज किया गया था, जहां हम लोग के सीनियर्स जो सर्जरी और सारे डिपार्टमेंट्स के रिस्पॉन्सिबल सीनियर्स हैं जो हम लोग के साथ हैं, यहाँ हम लोग तो सब यूजी स्टूडेंट्स हैं और बाकी पीजीटी लोग भी हैं पीछे, तो उसमें सारे कुछ बताए गए थे। और वैसे मेरे पास ऐसे हैं, आप चाहें तो मैं बता सकता हूँ जो है। तो
सीबीआई इंक्वायरी सरकार देने के लिए तैयार है संडे के बाद, क्या इससे आप लोग संतुष्ट हैं?
सीबीआई इंक्वायरी से हम लोग को कोई ये नहीं है, मना नहीं है, लेकिन सीबीआई इंक्वायरी उनको पेरेंट्स के कंसेंट के बिना हम लोग नहीं मांग सकते हैं ना। उनके पेरेंट्स की जैसे मर्जी है उनके हिसाब से हम लोग को चलना पड़ेगा।
Well, I'll speak to someone else. If I can ask you that, how it feels when you hear of or witness of these kind of violence happening again and again in different hospitals across the state?
Basically, we are in disbelief. We are still not. We have still not been able to come to terms with this thing, and we are spellbound. Basically, now we just want our few fixed agendas to be fulfilled. Other than that, we are not feeling anything right now.
The government have agreed for a CBI inquiry if Kolkata police are unable to solve the problem. The principal have resigned and also assurance have come that they will look into the security aspect. But still, it seems that you are not satisfied with the kind of measures being taken.
Yeah, we are still not satisfied because just the resignation isn't going to solve the problem. The authority will have to take the responsibility, even if the authority have resigned, because whatever happened. during that while. So, yeah, there are a lot of demands which need to be fulfilled as.
Security still remains a matter of concern?
Yeah, it has always been.
Well, that's what the concern of the students are, that security remains to be a matter of concern. Having said that, and having done everything on ground by the state administration and as well as RG Kar Medical College
Right.
and Hospital, still they are not satisfied. They want foolproof security for all the students, and
Right.
also at the same point in time, a judicial inquiry, a judicial probe is what the students are demanding at the moment.
All right, Tapas, appreciate you joining us with all of those details. Viewers, you saw these are young doctors who are protesting today because what happened with this victim, they fear it can happen with anybody. And that is the reason why they are saying that it is high time some action is taken against people who are responsible. Save the saviors. That's the demand that we are getting from doctors across the country who are out on the streets protesting, seeking justice for this young doctor who lost her life in this heinous crime.